How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be playing Cards Against Humanity, and it's probably going to be... Exactly. Unfortunately.
Neo, no one can be told what blank is. You have to see it for yourself. I got it. I did it. Oh, yeah. There we go. I'm good.
No, mine has to win. Wait, maybe not.
Unfortunately, Neo, no one can be told what an erection that lasts longer than 4 hours is. You have to see it for yourself. I like the first one.
No! In the beginning, there was blank, and the Lord said, let there be blank.
So pick two. God damn it.
Oh my god.
All right, let me read these. In the beginning, there was some shit hot guitar licks, and the Lord said, let there be keg stands. In the beginning, there was party Mexicans. And the Lord said, let there be binging and purging. I like the second one the best. Yeah. Blank. Awesome in theory, kind of a mess in practice. Oh, yes.
Boy, I can only imagine what the hell's going to happen here.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, my God.
You have to read both of them out loud.
Auto-cannibalism. Awesome in theory, kind of a mess in practice. Or an icy hand job from an Edmonton hooker. Awesome in theory, kind of a mess in practice.
Tonight we will have sex, and afterwards, if you'd like, a little bit of blank.
Oh god.
Oh, wait.
And afterwards, if you'd like, a little bit of exciting content.
Okay, Kizzy.
What? Alright, well. I guess the second one makes sense.
Oh, you're mad. You're just mad at me. What's that
What's that sound?
Oh, no. And the votes are in, almost.
Okay. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
All right.
Getting
What's
so
that
angry
sound?
pop a
Beating
ball.
your wives or getting angry that you pop a ball?
That sounds like the best sound ever. Come on.
Oh, really?
I could just imagine, like... For my next trick, I will pull Blake out of...
Oh, shit. All right, for my next trick, I will pull the mere concept of Applebee's out of penis envy. Or, for my next trick, I will pull an M16 assault rifle out of khakis. Not gonna lie to you, it's that's a fucking toughie. But the mere concept of Applebee's unfortunately lost, so we're gonna go with that one.
And would you like those buffalo wings hot, mild, or blank?
Mild, hot, or reverse
There's an
cowgirl?
obvious winner.
Do you like those buffalo wings mild, hot, or reverse cowgirl?
I didn't actually think I'd get that.
I liked it.
Blank would be woefully incomplete without blank. Being Canadian would be woefully incomplete without a bitch slap. The entire internet would be woefully incomplete without old people smell.
You know, I will agree with that. That is very true. It would
like-
be incomplete.
Yes, old people smell.
Yay!
Dear Mom and Dad, camp is fun. I like capture the flag. Yesterday, one of the older kids taught me about blank. I love you.
No, look, come on. Alright, here we go. Dear Mom and Dad, camp is fun. I like capture the flag. Yesterday, one of the older kids taught me about ejaculating live bees, and the bees are angry. I love Casey. Or lactation.
They taught me about lactation.
Here at the Academy for Gifted Children, we allow students to explore the violation of the most basic human rights at their own pace. We allow students to explore the 8 gay warlocks who dictate the rules of fashion at their own pace.
The 8 gay warlocks.
Who's the next superhero?
Oh!
Stranger danger or oncoming traffic?
Oncoming traffic sounds like the villain for Stranger Danger.
I've no fear. Stranger danger is here.
During high school, I never really fit in until I found Blank Club. Oh boy. All right. During high school, I never really fit in until I found Vigilante Justice Club. Or during high school, I never really fit in until I found two midgets shitting into a box club.
Yay!
Patient presents with blank, likely a result of blank.
I'm dumping cards.
Patient presents with a self-microwaving burrito, likely a result of jerking off into a pool of children's tears. Patient presents with Britney Spears at 55, likely a result of the white half of Barack Obama.
The white half of Barack Obama? That's a card dub if I've ever seen one.
I'm picking the first one.
Man, this is bullshit. Fuck blank. Oh no, that card came up so fast.
Oh no, he's got
this one in the bag.
I got excited.
All right, man.
They're both racist. They're both racist. Oh my god.
Man, this is bullshit. Fuck Asians who aren't good at Or man, this is bullshit. Fuck white people. I'm sorry. Oh, I thought that was Michael's.
No.
Oh man.
No.
That was pristine.
It's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with blank. Oh no.
Oh no.
No, please no. Please no. Okay, it's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with the KKK. It's also a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with suicidal thoughts.
Yes.
Greetings, humans. I am Blankbot, executing program. I am Yeastbot, executing program. I am a squadron of moles wearing aviator goggles bot.
I hate my life.
I like Yeastbot.
Yay! I won.
God damn it.
You guys can suck my peen.
It looks
Over.
like Breezy was the winner this time. Next time we'll probably just... What's that noise?